Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you the symptoms of a rear main seal leak, what are its causes and the cost and solutions. So a rear main seal leak is a common issue in the vehicles that can lead to significant engine problems if not addressed. So here is an overview of the symptoms, causes, cost and solutions of this problem. So the symptoms of the rear main seal leak includes one of the first signs of the oil spot and the puddles under your car, particularly toward the rear of the engine. You may notice a consistent drop in the oil levels without any apparent reason. Oil leaking onto the exhaust system can create a burning oil smell. Upon inspection, you might find oil on the undercarriage of the car near the transmission. Low oil levels due to the leak can also cause the engine to overheat. If the leak is severe enough, the oil pressure warning light may illuminate on the dashboard as well. So, what are the causes of the rear main seal leak? So, over the time, the rear main seal leak can degrade due to the age and the constant exposure to the heat and friction. So, problems with the crankshaft, such as the rough surface or the misalignment, can also cause wear on the seal. Incorrect installation of the seal can also lead to the premature failure. Vehicles with the high mileage are more prone to this issue as parts wear out over time. Excessive pressure in the crankcase due to the malfunctioning ECV valve can also cause the seal to fail. So what would be the cost of repair? So the labor cost. So replacing the rear coast seal leak typically requires significant labor as the transmission or the engine often needs to be removed. So labor cost can range from $500 to $1,000 depending on the make and the model of the vehicle. The seal itself is usually inexpensive, so often it is between 20 to $50. However, it is the labor that makes the repair costly. On an average, you can expect to pay $600 to $1,500 for the complete repair. So what would be the solutions of this problem? So you can do the seal replacement. So the primary solution is to simply replace the rear main seal. The second thing that you can do is you can ensure the positive crankcase ventilation, that is PCV valve, is functioning properly to prevent excessive pressure in the crankcase. Regular oil changes and inspections can also help catch issues early and prevent severe leaks. Some products can temporarily seal leaks, but they are not a permanent solution and should not be relied upon for significant leaks. So, these are some of the methods that you can use in order to find the problem and in order to solve it easily. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.